Welcome to another Getting Started video for Octopus Deploy. This video will help you learn about Slack notifications and how you can add them to your deployment process. We're going to change our Hello World project to send a Slack notification whenever a deployment to the test or production environment begins. The first thing we need to do is search for the Slack step template that we want to use. Let's go to Add Step and type to perform the search. The Slack step templates can be found in the community library. You can see that there are several templates to choose from. We're going to send a simple notification today, so I'll select Install and Add. The first time you use any community step template, you'll see this message to confirm the installation to your Octopus Step Templates library. Click Save. We'll set the name. For the webhook, we'll use a variable that has already been set to a URL value configured in Slack. You can find a link of how to do this in the notes below this video. The title will contain the name of this project and the environment. I'll use a variable for the environment name. The message will show that the deployment is starting. I only want to send this notification when the deployment is to test or production, so we'll set the environment run condition here. We want this notification step to run before any others, so let's reorder them. Let's save the process. When I deploy this through to our development environment, the Slack notification step has not been run, as we specified test and production only in our run condition. Let's deploy it to test now. We can see that the Slack notification step has now been run, and when we look at Slack, we can see the message. Here are some tips for Slack notifications. Ensure the messages contain the most useful information, such as project name and environment, and use supported formatting and colour to clarify crucial points. Consider sending a notification if the deployment fails. You can then ensure people are aware of any issue immediately. Use these notifications only where useful. Too many, and we all start to ignore the noise. Think about the most useful channels for messages and target notifying the right people. For example, do your stakeholders need to know about all environment deployments or just those to production? That's the basics of Slack notifications in Octopus Deploy. Be sure to check out our other Getting Started videos, and thanks for watching. Happy deployments!